Alright, so first off, if you guys are wondering why this unboxing is going up way after I received the item, that's because this is actually a Christmas present or birthday present. They're pretty close for my brother, and I obviously didn't want to upload this beforehand because I didn't want to give away the surprise that I got my brother a embroidered revenge jacket. But that being said, I am going to make a little bit of content out of it, get that like $1 ad revenue from it. So this is the opening of it. The package came with like a little tear in it. I've seen some people from the subreddit talking about the embroidered jackets, which it feels a lot softer, a lot less stiff than I had imagined. And comes in the usual revenge bag. This is a medium, and here she is. It looks pretty nice in hand, honestly. Like I said, it's a medium. My brother wasn't gifted with the jeans that I have. He got a little bit shorter. He grew up a little bit shorter. I guess he didn't grow like I did, but here it is. Beautiful ARC logo embroidered on the back, and God, I do love their embroidery, and the thread they use is always like super nice. It's got this like nice shine to it. And then moving to the arm, we also have Revenge's in the creator's hands embroidered on the sleeve, and this looks nice. I'll get a close-up of the detailing so you guys can look at that while I talk about it. But one thing I'm not crazy about are the buttons on it. They're all like flat and don't have like any detailing at all on them. I think this almost makes it look kind of cheap, but that being said, quality wise, it feels nice. It feels soft. It doesn't feel like super cheap denim, whereas the pants from this drop kind of looked like they were on the cheaper side. When we saw the leaks of this, I saw the up close of the back panel where the embroidery goes over onto that lower panel, and I was like, oh, this is probably an area where we're gonna see a lot of design flaws. But just looking at this one particularly, I don't see any loose threads, so at least quality control was good on that. There is some separation, which I'm sure you guys can see in whatever I have up right now for the close-ups, but overall, it's not bad, and definitely from a couple like feet away or whatever, you're probably not going to notice it at all. As far as the blank goes, this is very similar to any normal standard trucker jacket that you got. You can compare it to the Levi's ones. You got the pocket on the outside, two pockets. Let's see, I don't think any inside pockets. Oh, there are pockets on the inside too, which is nice. You also get these chest pockets, buttoned of course, and that's pretty much it. It is what it is. It's a denim jacket. I think it's cool. I've seen these going for crazy prices on Grailed. I think somebody wanted like 400, or somebody did sell one for 400, which is crazy. Retail on this was 148, which is kind of a joke because the hoodies, the embroidered hoodies that dropped alongside this were also 148. And I think, in general, people think, a jacket is usually a little bit more than a hoodie, but, what do I know? That's all I've got for you guys, though. I'm not going to try it on because it's not mine. This is my brother's. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas if you are watching this. I'm sure you do. Dude watches all my videos, so much love to you and everybody else who's watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.